Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Heal Your Inner Critic meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils and with a big sigh, exhale it all out through your mouth. Allow your body to find its natural rhythm and just breathe. We invite you to welcome in the strength to release any criticism that you have for yourself. Destructive criticism is a hindrance to your evolution, and rather than judging yourself because of your insecurities, jealousies, or feeling the lack thereof, we expel all of this negative energy from our body in an effort to transcend to the highest version of yourself. Continue breathing naturally. Imagine that you are chained to a rock in the middle of a body of water. You tug at the chains, but cannot seem to break free. Shackled by the pessimistic observations that crowd your brain, you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, and you just want to break free. Continue breathing naturally. You begin to believe in yourself and feel the burning sensation inside building up, and as it overflows, you feel the admiration of grace surrounding you. You begin to take back your power and remember that you are a divine being capable of achieving any and everything that you desire. You are unstoppable and worthy of all that you have manifested. Let's take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, and with a big sigh, exhale it out through your mouth. A ray of white light shines down from the sky, filling your body with an abundance of optimism and overpowers your aura. Your body begins to levitate from the rock, breaking the shackles and liberating you to your next frequency. As you rise higher in the sky, you embrace all of the emotions that you are feeling in this moment. The retrieval of no longer harshly criticizing yourself and stepping into the next level of being your best self. Allow your natural breathing to take over as your body is saturated with empowerment and you are awakened to uplifting yourself at all times while having full control over your purpose in this lifetime. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. Take a deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. 2 more times. Another deep inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. One last time. Take one last deep inhale in through both nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare, and on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspirations, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am healing my inner critic through powerful and valuable words and actions. I am optimistic. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment, and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Heal Your Inner Critic meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.